outside of the legal profession, and it represents an important part of CLS's efforts to raise awareness.
We want to make sure that both within the legal community and outside and the community at large understand what CLS does.
The run kicks off at Memorial Hall in Fairmount Park at 8:30 a.m. on Sunday. For more info, go to clsvilla.org. Cherry Gregg, KOW News Radio.
Foundation fighting blindness in town laced up this morning and hoped that they'll raise money. It's their 6th annual Vision Walk, and KYW's Tim Jimenez stopped by.
A bigger event year after year. This go around 700 walkers on 45 teams. The goal to raise $250,000 for research to treat and cure retinal degenerative diseases. One of the groups, CJ's Crusaders, the C standing for Kathy, diagnosed with macular degeneration 2 years ago. Her daughter Terry says the family tries to help her as much as possible.
When you're losing your vision, you have trouble cooking, you can no longer drive. Watching TV is a struggle, no computer work. So it really limits what you're able to do in your life.
Susan DeVoe, one of the co-chairs of the walk, has a father and 8-year-old son